Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to answer the question, should I get Facebook Blueprint certified? And to be honest, most people should not. But be sure to watch to the end of this video where I provide a ton of clarity on what kind of people are actually going to benefit from getting Facebook Blueprint certified. But before we dive into that, what is it? Facebook Blueprint is a series of free courses and certifications that's provided by Facebook. In order to access the free trainings, you can go to facebookblueprint.com. And once you're here, you're going to see several different modules for getting started with Facebook and Facebook ads. Be sure to bookmark this page because, like I said, Facebook Blueprint courses are for free. So these are free resources provided by Facebook that are able to teach you how to run and manage your Facebook ad campaigns. And in theory, after taking these courses, you can also get certified. And these are not free. The certifications do cost money, around $100 a pop per certification. And the tests that you have to take to get these certifications are pretty intense, but I'll get to that in a second. So in order to see what kind of Facebook Blueprint certifications you can get, go ahead and go to facebook.com/business/learn/certification. So there are a number of certifications you can take for media buying and for developers, all ranging from like the associate level also to a more professional level. So I also want to talk about a little bit of my experience from getting Facebook Blueprint certified. I got certified earlier this year in January 2020. And just to take the test, it cost $100. So there is no guarantee, no refunds if you don't pass. So my process for preparing for this exam was I selected the exam I wanted to take, and then I also took the associated practice test with it. And I highly recommend that you do that because the questions that you don't get right, they're going to guide you to certain courses that you can take in Facebook Blueprint to help you prepare yourself for the exam. And I did get a few questions wrong in the practice exam. So I was able to take those courses and brush myself up so that I could at least answer it in the way that Facebook wanted me to answer it on the certification exam. This is an online exam, but Facebook does not mess around. They actually had me take a webcam around the entire room that I was taking the exam in so that they could make sure that there were no papers lying around the room, no books. Also, you're going to have to download a specific software to take the exam. And once you're taking the exam on this software, you can't switch out of the software. So you can't like look at other pages on the internet, look at other notes. They will have complete access to your screen the entire time you're taking the exam. And you're required to keep your webcam on so that they can also see and hear you during the exam. Even though I've been using Facebook ads for like almost 5 years now, I did practice for this exam because, to be honest, the questions were made to trip you up and to confuse you. So back to the original question, do I think people should get Facebook Blueprint certified? And like I said, the answer for most people is no. The only people who should be getting certified are media buyers or people who want to have media buying as a career path. So maybe people who own agencies or who are freelancing. And I really do not recommend it for people who are trying to learn Facebook ads. Because to be honest, the certification process and the free courses did not teach me anything strategic about running Facebook ads. And yes, there were a few tactical bits that were a little bit more colored in for me. But ultimately, it's not going to teach you how to make money from Facebook ads. It's going to teach you how to run Facebook ads to an extent. But yes, if you are a media buyer, do consider getting Facebook Blueprint certified. I've noticed that a lot of clients hold it in high regard, and sometimes even if they don't ask for it, I do tell them I have it, and it is just like that extra little boost in them feeling more comfortable in working with. I kind of look at it like getting your bachelor's degree. It doesn't show that you're smarter than someone else who didn't go to college. It just shows that you committed doing the work, and now you have something to show for it. Okay guys, and that's it. If you have any more questions about getting Facebook Blueprint certified, be sure to hit me up in the comments below. All right, later.